If you're watching this video, you caught me. I lost all my money trading. It's over. It was nice knowing you guys. Just kidding. If this is your first time on the channel, hi, my name's Alex Temes. I've been day trading for over 11 years and I've made over $11.5 million trading, and we'll pop up my broker statements on the screen right now. I wanted to make this video to kind of explain a new direction that I'm going with in my trading. So let's recap where I'm at. This video is being recorded on May 13th, 2025. So far this year, I'm up $500,000, including a $170,000 day last week. So my trading has been going really well. A lot of people have been talking about, the market's in a recession, the market's in a depression, what's gonna happen, this, that. And if you guys remember, Jim Cramer called that Black Monday was gonna happen on the exact day that the market had bottomed. And I used that day to buy a bunch of long-term stocks, which I've since exited on this 30 to 40% rebound on some of these names. So if I'm making all this money day trading, if I'm making all this money investing, why am I quitting? What am I quitting? I'm quitting this YouTube channel right here. So I started a brand new YouTube channel, which I'm gonna link in the description below. This brand new YouTube channel is gonna have educational videos once a week, every single week, no matter what. But this channel that you're watching right here, I'm sure some of you may have noticed that I am live trading on this channel every single day at 9 a.m. So this My Investing Club YouTube channel is now going to turn into a live trading channel. So you'll be able to watch me trade live every single day at 9 a.m. The other channel, the Alex Temes channel, is going to be more educational videos. So real quick, I want to let you guys know that if you go to that Alex Temes channel and click the subscribe button, which is 100% free, the moment that we hit 1,000 subscribers, I'm gonna be giving away 5 years of live trading access to a lucky winner. And then when we hit 2,000 subscribers, I'm gonna do the same thing. So for every 1,000 subscribers that we hit on that new YouTube channel, someone is gonna win 5 years of live trading access, which is normally valued at over $15,000 for free. Let's kind of get into it a little bit. So every single day at 9 a.m., tune into this channel, the channel that you're watching this now, to watch me trade live every single day. If you'll notice, I will also link a free video under here where today I opened up live trading to everyone and I made $7,000. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna include two things in the description. One, the brand new YouTube channel where if you subscribe for free, every 1,000 subscribers that we hit, we're gonna be giving away 5 years of live trading access. Additionally, I'm gonna show you today's live trading session where I made $7,000 in one day. So now that that's out of the way, let's kind of talk about the markets real quick. So everyone's talking about recession, depression, this, that, the other thing. But we have a V-shaped recovery right now. The market went down and now it's kind of coming right back up as if nothing ever happened. What I think is that a lot of people were overexposed to the short side. I think that a lot of traders are like, oh my God, everything's going down. We're having a trade war. We're having this, the other thing. And everyone is short, sell. And the market went down. But as you could see, Trump and his cabinet are very sophisticated. They're telling you to buy stocks. And then 2 hours later, they're doing a 90-day tariff pause. They're telling you to buy stocks. And 2 days later, they're making a deal with China. So no matter what Trump says about the market, I think he is very laser focused on the market. Now you may be asking why. There was a couple sayings out there that people said that this is a Magnificent Seven problem, not a MAGA problem, right? And the truth of the matter is this. If they say they're watching the stock market, if they say that they're trying to support the stock market, what's gonna happen? Foreign adversaries are going to be coming after our market and try to bring down our market. But if they tell people we don't care about the market doesn't matter, who cares? Then what really happens is people start saying, if they don't care about the market, maybe I shouldn't care about the market too much. But their topics that they're talking about are all centered around the market. They're making announcements at market time. They are waiting for people to talk about the market. So in my opinion, I think this cabinet is extremely focused on the stock market. They just can't say that they are. All the context clues point to the fact that Trump has a ton of Wall Street guys in his cabinet. They know what they're doing. And to me, it almost seems like they manufactured the biggest short squeeze in all of the indexes. I think that everyone is overexposed to the short side and not enough people are exposed to the long side. Now, don't get me wrong. There's going to be certain pullback days. There's going to be certain digestion days. There's gonna be certain days where the market comes down and consolidates because we need to trap shorts before we go higher. So for me, seeing this action in the market actually reinforces the fact that, hey, we might be back at all-time highs in a couple months, right? Because too many people don't have enough exposure to the long side. The hedge funds, the institutions, the mutual funds, it's their job to buy, because if they're not making money for their customers, the customers are gonna leave. In the short term, we may kind of see some pullback, some consolidation. In the long term, it's kind of crazy to say, but about a month ago, people were dumping stocks at the fastest rate possible, and now they just can't get enough, right? Because they realized that, oh wait, maybe we made a mistake. Maybe there's no trade war. Maybe this was all planned. Now let's talk about Bitcoin. Bitcoin has been very, very strong throughout this entire process. And I think it's because obviously all of these institutions are finally adopting it. BlackRock, Fidelity, everyone is talking about Bitcoin, Bitcoin, Bitcoin. They had enough time for big money to load up on all the Bitcoins before the average guy comes in and has any chance. So in my opinion, Bitcoin has now become institutionalized. It's probably not going to go up 100%, 200% every year, but just like any type of index, any type of market, probably 10 or 20%. And that comes in with today's big announcement of Coinbase. Coinbase is officially added to the S&P 500. Could you believe that? So as if it wasn't legit enough that crypto is here to stay and crypto is institutionalized, Coinbase, the biggest US regulated exchange, is now in the S&P 500. So I think that this is massive, massive, massive news for all the crypto people out there. So these type of videos, the videos that I'm kind of making right here, kind of talking about the macroeconomic, I have some trade recaps and all that stuff, is going to be on the new YouTube channel, Alex Temiz, which I'm going to link below. This channel right here, show up every day at 9 a.m. on the dot Eastern time to watch me trade live for free every single day. So if you like this video, leave a like, leave a comment, subscribe to the other channel, right? Where for every 1,000 subscribers that we hit, I'll be giving away 5-year access to live trading. Now, on top of that, let me know what type of videos you want to see on this channel. Let me know what type of videos you want to see on the other channel. And I'm excited to see you on the next channel. And by the way, I'm not quitting day trading. I'm just quitting this channel. I'm making a ton of money this year. Thank God, knock on wood. And I think it's going to continue. Thank you, everyone.